Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to find TikTok part 2 videos. So in order to do so, first of all, launch TikTok application. Now let's say this is the video that I have been watching and you can see this is the part 1 video. In order to find part 2 video, you have to check in the comment section. So most of the part 2 videos are mentioned by the users at the comment section. So you can tap on this video like you see, and you can see that this is the part 2 video. Similarly, you can go through the comments to see if there are other parts of the video as well. You can also tap on that specific person's profile who has uploaded the videos and scroll down to check other parts of the video that you have been watching. Or else you can simply go back and then you can again go to the comment section. So now let's go to the comment section, and over here if there are certain blue comments that are relatable to the video, you can tap on it and that will lead you to various search results related to the video. After that, you might be able to find another part of the video that you have been watching on TikTok. So this is the only way through which you can find TikTok's part 2 videos. And that's it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.